In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your DNS records on Wix to verify your domain effortlessly. Whether you're trying to integrate a third-party service or just making sure your domain is well connected, this process will be a breeze to follow. First things first, you'll want to log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the Domains page. This is where you'll manage everything related to your domain settings. Now, you'll see a list of all your domains. Here, you'll want to find the specific domain that needs updating. Once you've located it, look to the right side, and you'll see a small icon that looks like 3 vertical dots. This is known as the Domain Actions icon. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a menu with various options. In the menu that appears, you'll want to select the option that says Manage DNS Records. This will take you to a page where you can view and update all the current DNS settings for your domain. Take a moment to scroll down this page until you come across the section labeled TXT, text. This is where we'll be adding the new record. You'll notice a button that says plus Add Record. Go ahead and click this button. This brings up a form where you'll be entering all the necessary details for your new TXT record. For the hostname, enter the hostname given by the service requiring verification. Often, instructions may tell you to use an @ sign. If that's the case, you can leave this field blank. Next, you'll enter the value. This is the TXT value string that the service has provided. It's important to ensure that the value is entered correctly, as any mistakes could lead to verification issues. After you've entered all the required details, click the Save button. If a pop-up window appears asking you to confirm these changes, simply click on Save Changes again to finalize your new DNS record. And that wraps it up. Your changes should now be active, but keep in mind that it might take a little bit of time for the updates to fully propagate across the internet. This step-by-step guide should simplify the process of updating your DNS records on Wix, helping you verify your domain with ease. If you run into any issues or notice any delays, don't hesitate to reach out to Wix support or the service you're trying to verify with for further assistance. And there you have it. You're all set with your new DNS settings and ready to move forward.